In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the maintenance box of your Epson XP 8700 printer. Maintenance box of this printer is just in this section. Open this and also open the printer tray, that is paper tray. Now we have to open this plate. There is a screw here, so that is just underneath and maybe not visible so easily. So screw is here, maybe not visible in the camera, and this plate will come off. So that was the screw here. Now slide it, the paper tray will come out, and then you can take the maintenance box. Maintenance box has a chip, you can see on one side, and its part number is T3661. Take your new maintenance box, place the maintenance box inside, place the cap, just adjust it here. Once it sits in its position, then you have to tighten the screw. Now you can close the paper tray and the front tray. If you go to the main screen, it will display some information, so click on the next and done. So maintenance box is installed. Thanks for watching.